Jaden Adams le yena o vaile. I be like to mohlakana le video no guys, Khani, what's going on? Can you please guys explain? Why? Why so many people are dying this year? Why? Can you please someone explain this? Someone knows about what's going on. A prophet, something. Come like to my comment section if you are a prophet. Tell me, do we have to start to pray now, or I get to resunja to me? It's not a joke. It's not a joke because now I'm fearing for my life. Actually, I'm fearing for everyone because this needs a serious investigation, a further investigation before it's too late. I bana Tushang, I like Tushang. Tushang is usual because if I really Tushay no, we just want to know what's going on.